Making custom things have always been something I was fond of doing, and cricket has made it much more easier for me lately. Hi, I'm Marisa, and today I'm going to transfer one of my son's drawing onto a mug. First, I need to cut out the template for the mug from Cricut Design Space. This will allow him to stick to a particular area with his drawing, making it easier to transfer later. You can use any regular paper here. I am using a 80 GSM copy paper for this project. The important thing we need here is Cricut infusible pens. The colors from the pens get transferred to a mug, coaster, t-shirts or any clothing materials when we apply heat. Let's unbox the Cricut mug press now. As part of the Cricut Ambassador program, I was gifted one by Cricut Mia team, and this machine is very easy to use and set up. All the instructions are provided in Design Space. The box I received is a bundle box, which has all the initial materials required to make few projects. They come with infusible ink sheets, ink infusible pens, heat resistant tape, and of course the mugs. All that's required for you to get started. Make sure the room is ventilated and there is enough space from the wall when using this machine. All the steps to set the machine up are in Design Space and it is very easy to follow. You can find plenty of projects in Design Space if you feel intimidated on trying what project to make first. Once the machine is set up and connected, we can wrap the drawing, which is done with the infusible ink pens, onto the mug with the help of heat-resistant tape. The paper should be fixed tightly. We have to preheat the mug press, which I didn't shoot here, and once the machine is ready, we can place the mug on it and close the flap on top of the machine and pressing the mug and heating it. This process takes a while and we have to wait until all the lights light up, and you will hear a beep sound once it's ready. Carefully remove the mug to a heat pad or a folded towel for it to cool down. The inside part of the mug press and the mug will be very hot, so please be careful while handling it. You have to wait couple of minutes to cool down. It's already dark outside as I did the unboxing in the evening and wanted to involve my son with this project. Once it's cool, you can remove the tape and unwrap the paper to reveal the design. Honestly, I was surprised by the colors appear on the mug. Even the faint lines of the drawing appeared clearly. I was so happy how this turned out. The colors were bright and beautiful. The designs on these mugs last longer as they are infused. This can be customized in countless ways and I can't wait to create more projects with this machine. Customizing mugs with kids' drawings can make wonderful gifts too. I hope you like this project and please make sure to leave your thoughts on the comments. See you until next week.